Isn't that beautiful? We're on the banks of the Mississippi River at the Tom Sawyer RV Park.
It's a beautiful park, literally right on the Mississippi. But in May of 2011, this place was completely flooded from torrential rain around it. And so all the banks have just overcame and it's just massively flooded that area. But it looks great now.
Yes, it does. On the last video, we shared with you about how we had lost a whole bunch of footage from a hard drive. We're still really bummed out about that.
Yeah, we're very bummed.
But we wanted to fill you in on what we did after the NRVTA. So we went to Austin, Texas first.
Yeah, in Austin, we went to see our good friend Heather, and we went to something called Chicken Bingo.
It is a whole lot of fun. Then we went to San Antonio and explored the Riverwalk.
That was nice. That was really nice. It was beautiful. We did go to the Alamo, as everybody would go to.
Yeah.
A little bit disappointed in the Alamo. Beautiful. It's small.
I think you were expecting a big cathedral style.
I was.
Okay.
I was expecting, even the interior, I was expecting more, but it was very nice for what it was.
We'll never forget the Alamo.
Never forget it.
From there we went to Waco. Waco was great. We loved Waco.
Love Waco. Magnolia was fun to walk around.
Lots of great food in Waco.
Lots of great food.
And we went to the Mammoth Caves.
Yeah, the Mammoth Cave.
Of the American mastodon.
Okay.
So that guy wasn't found in the park. One was found in downtown Waco in the 60s, though. So this guy was only around 6 feet tall at the shoulder. It was mostly a forest-dwelling animal and was eating a lot of branches, bushes.
After that, we went further north and stayed at the Range Vintage Trailer Park.
Oh my
Loved
goodness,
this place.
that place. If you have an Airstream,
You can visit.
you can visit here.
Or you can go and rent one of they have taken and refurbished vintage trailers. So it's got that very cute, very Instagrammable.
Right, it's very boutique-ish, but it's on 30 acres.
Yeah,
So it's
lovely. And then from there we went back to Athens to the NRVTA so that I could take the training and become a registered RV technician. So now we pick it back up in Arkansas. We did lose some footage, but we do have some.
So this is Bathhouse Row in Hot Springs. The first one's called Lamar. This one's called Buckstaff, which is still in operation today. It's traditional. And then there's Ozark.
Going for a bath.
Going for a bath. Having to use my cell phone today because we didn't charge up our cameras.
No, we didn't. This was
So,
very silly. Look at the architecture on the roof of that. I think this is the Quapaw baths. So this is the one that's it's $25.
Right.
Has 4, I think, different heated baths.
Yeah, 104 is the hottest.
Yeah.
And I think it's 95 or 98 is the lowest. But we're gonna take a chance and go to this one. This one's a more modern one, whereas the other one, I believe you can go au naturel, but I'm not 100% certain about that. But
Yeah.
we're gonna pass on that, and we're gonna come here to Quapaw. There's also a couple of other ones that are not in use no more. They're visitor centers. But
I want to go in there. I want to get my passport.
oh,
Check it through the left side.
so
There's too many people waiting. My passport for all of the national parks.
right.
So I'm putting in my ta-da, and then
Practice on that one.
oh look, oops, that's why we can't have nice things. This one's got like a little bathtub on it. How cute is that? Look. All of these. So we've been to quite a few national parks without this. You know what that tells me?
What?
We gotta go
Go
back.
back. All right.
Hey, I'm excited about this. This is a lot of great information in here too. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
So apparently you can also, like we went to Glacier Bay,
Right.
which you can only do on a cruise. If you write to them and say, hey, we were there on this date, they will actually send you a stamp dated with that date and send it to you so that you can add it to your book.
Yeah.
The Ohio Club is Hot Springs' oldest bar, first opened in 1905 as a bar and a casino. This was a former gangster and baseball player hangout. Al Capone, Bugsy Siegel, Bugs Moran, Babe Ruth all visited this iconic bar. If walls could speak.
Oh, what was that?
What?
Something keeps scooting
like
across.
A rat or something?
I don't know.
Delightful if it is, or a nutria.
I have no idea.
Is something down there then?
That's like 3 or 4 times I've seen it. I don't know if it's a fish or something's over there. Crazy. Look at that current. Wow. And this poor barge over here, it's 20 minutes to get from, well, to get to there or there from about right here. That's crazy.
Yeah. Because the others came whipping by. They're going the other way.
Yeah, the other way.
Really trucking against
The other way, it's like
current.
tubing. You know, you just turn off the engines. Let's go. Party
It's
time.
like crazy.
I can hear the wind and it calls my name. It whispers every day. I just know. I can feel the wind and it carries me underneath my wings so I can soar. I'm a wanderer. I'm a wanderer.
This beautiful lady right here, Marion Keisker, was here that day. Now, she is frequently referred to as Sam's secretary, but that does her a massive deal of injustice, and I cannot stress that fact enough. Without this lady, we would not know of a single person on our walls, and especially not Elvis. She could do absolutely everything, and that included work the recording equipment. She was the very first person to record Elvis Presley. When he came in here that day, Marion stopped him. She asked him, "Son, who do you sound like?" And Elvis responded with, "Ma'am, I don't sound..."
Morning rises, 'cause we fly above the weather.
Missouri, 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 Illinois!
You can't stop me, here I go. Like tidal waves and flakes of snow, the signs of life that give us hope. I'm a wanderer.
All right. Another state. Oh, yeah. All right.
Illinois.
Check.
And
Ooh, Sun Studios.
I know, such a great place.
Where are you thinking? Because I'll tell you what I'm thinking.
Okay, you tell me where you're thinking, boo. You told me you're thinking.
I'm thinking
Yeah.
right here. That's just me. Where are you thinking?
I wasn't. Nice. Meow, 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 meow. Look at us.
You ain't nothing but a hound dog. Crying all the time. Did you know?
No.
Did you happen to know
No.
that Hound Dog was a remake of another song?
It's an answer song to Bearcat.
Bearcat.
Nothing but a bear cat. Been scratching at my door.
I always thought that was like an original that he sung, but it's not a copy. He did a
It's an answer. So what that guy was saying is, that's what they did back in the day. They did a oftentimes they did a song and then somebody else would write an answer.
Right, because there was no copyrights
song.
back then, or
Right.
something.
Walking in Memphis, walking with my feet to me on the wheel, walking tears.
Look, it's Illinois State Beach. Oh, there's dead fish in the water. There's a bunch of dead fish.
Yeah, there is.
Wow, look at that.
Wow.
Look,
Yeah, there's two.
I thought I smelled something back down there.
Gross. And there's some more over there.
Wow.
Nice big ones.
Huh. Red tide?
This monument has been erected in the name of a grateful people by the Illinois chapters of the Daughters of the American Revolution.
Wow. So we're at Fort Massac State Park here in the home of Superman. It's in Metropolis, Illinois. Great site, peace and quiet. It's only electric hookups. We found a water spout here, a well. We knew there was no water, no sewer, but we picked a site closer to the water, thinking we can hook up our hose right here. But when we tried to fill up the fresh water tank, guess where it comes out? It comes out there, which is no good. So I don't know what kind of fitting that is. But why would you have water coming out of here and not here? So we had to use the old bucket version. The joys of camping.
So we're starting our Superman Sunday with finding the world's only piece of kryptonite. Here it is.
And ta-da!
Glowing green meteorite is the largest specimen of its kind known to exist. It fell to Earth shortly after the planet Krypton exploded into a million billion fragments. There you go. Here it is, kryptonite.
Basically, it's a painted rock, huh?
Kevin, you just have no sense of fantasy.
Oh, I'm just like, I'm feeling weak.
But that's because you're my Superman.
I'm feeling so weak.
There it is.
Oh.
You're so silly. Come on, let's go find, we're going to go find Superman and we're going to find Lois Lane.
Yep. If you want to know where this is at, it's on the corner of 3rd Street and Ferry Street. Boom.
Let's go find Superman.
I mean, the collection is insane. This is one person's personal collection.
Oh, it's a certificate of authenticity.
Is that the clothes that he wore in the movie?
Yeah, it is.
What? Is this payphone?
The original Superman phone booth, circa 1948.
Are you serious?
Kirk Alyn was
What?
the first actor to portray Superman in motion pictures.
So you're telling me this is the very...
This is the photo of him going in there.
So the phone booth that's in the movie.
Not, but look, in
Is that replica?
not the Christopher
Right.
Reeves one. Yes.
But he's the first one.
Correct.
Wow, and this is the. Look at that. What? Wow, look at that little store right there.
5 cent, 10 cent, and $1 store.
That's old. Bet you back in the day, this was a thriving little town.
So,
But they keep leaving that kryptonite there. It's not going nowhere.
here she is.
All right, so there's Lois Lane. And there is Superman at the end of this road.
Heather, this is what happens when you eat donuts. Oh, those round rock donuts. No! Give me a cinnamon twist. Oh God, it's not stopping.